Welcome everyone. This week we're doing watercolor collage for our landscape. Last week I had asked you guys to start your watercolor techniques and work on the wet and wet, drop color, wet and wet, dry brush, salt, tissue blot, plastic blot, crayon resist, and cotton ball dabs. This week we're going to be using all those techniques except for the salt and crayon resist. The watercolor collage landscape is you guys painting the watercolor paper using the techniques that you had learned last week, and then we're going to be ripping up those papers to create and collage a landscape onto another piece of paper. So if you look at the examples, you'll see a bunch of the techniques that we did last week, including the wet and wet, and the drip color in wet, and the blotting. So those are the techniques you're going to use this coming week. Some more examples are here. So again, you're just going to be painting your paper, ripping it up, and you can create a reflection or you can just leave it as a simple landscape. That's up to you. This week though, for today specifically, you're going to be sketching out your landscape design just so that you have an idea of what you want to create. So you will be making 3 design templates. So I'm showing you examples of how I created my templates. I'm going to speed them up a little bit along the way, but I just wanted to give you a rough idea of what I'm expecting out of this assignment. So just using a regular piece of paper and a pencil, you're just outlining. Maybe you want trees and brushes in the corner, and then you're going to maybe create some mountains along the back and have your sky, and maybe you want water as part of it as well. So you're just sketching out every detail that maybe you want in your design. When you're done, you're going to start another one. But before you're finished, you're going to actually label everything as well. So as you see, I created some trees on the side. Now I'm creating mountains, and I'm going to make a little space as well for where I will be doing water. And after that, I'm also erasing lines that I don't need. This is just a layout. It does not need to be perfect. I just want you guys to have an idea of what you want to be creating for your landscape. Again, I'm labeling everything. So I have my trees, my mountains, sky, water. So that way I know what I'm going to be using for my watercolors also. Again, I'm putting my name on the back because this is going to go into my portfolio folder when I am finished. So again, I'm going to speed up the rest of these tutorial videos because they are just examples of the design templates that you can use. I really encourage you guys to be creating your own. Don't just copy what I am doing. You're going to be creating at least 3 different templates for ideas, and you're going to take a picture of each one and upload them onto Microsoft Teams. Please do not forget to make sure you label everything and also put your name on the back as well. These are going to be going into your portfolio folders. Also, if you don't want to do mountains, you can do something a little bit simpler with maybe hills and clouds in the sky. Again, these are all just ideas, and I want you guys to be creative. Again, upload these to Teams when you're done. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via Teams. Bye.